Ti Asante Kotoko ne Ali Benghazi omu deal no and I transfer abet amwa transfer no say na esi ekoe eya no ti ebeto ne no ntia na menya nche say Ali Benghazi entimi entua Asante Kotoko ka omu timi settle Asante Kotoko ka da metene say sankofo no sa na omu tie omu suban no omu suban omu titiku omu to omu timbi kwa bi to Liberty sama omu kokaf eno cast na ansana omutimi ats kan sine student nkofo no omu suban no enti senka sene baba nenge ni kwa Kotoko transfer abetamo so oton abetamo senka for so bia mfusu ma say ma transfer me player ma be me player ma o say bisimi yesika because of na Kotoko eni sika enti na omo transfer na so omo ton abetamo na ebesi ni ne se Kotoko enti minya ne sika come on it's too bad there is sa Ali Benghazi no there is omuhuni anase omunye honest team ankasa because tisia na omohwe abetamo the performance ni body answer na omatimi edi atua Asante Kotoko na say there na eskano ebechepa because tisia no say omo Bolivian cup we won ma abetamo so far no watimi abo 3 games won ma want me won share go on tudumi se nyina no nkofo no omohwe se abetamo abetimi akeka no but enye eno so justification say there be munyina mo agreement ana say agreement munyina mo say uhia me prayer automade na mabo me buache de acha na so uhia ibi da mo also chameka sebe ko yese nko e ode nyama asema wo so improve upon it sebe ya me ma ko de na oboto ye no ayai sabe pepe isi oboto cement mo no ma undimi ga tell me say cement no ma oboto no no me sam fa cement no enyai ngotwa blocks ma ana say me fango siu na me oda ma me plasa oda da bi because uhia it na do na no adequate na product na oboto ye no the here na odo kwa ko ye to na wo say improve upon it. You see, some North Africans, you know, some multi-musuban, no, happen to several clubs. Ghanaian clubs, maybe. Because Tunisia and the at times, you know, who's in simple be. Next time, I got a company for no deal beer, or a bit careful with such people because of they are not honest people. To be honest, they are not honest people. Say we are transferring the player man simple for the amount now up to now untimi now promise there na say next time come e be class am you and so next time Kotoko a bit careful and so next time bia no omo fiti o mani say there me say that omo ntimi tua half mpo say e be play before you play man I was say utimi make part payment and so sebe ya we bit ma kon kan bi want some shalom peace bye bye.